Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Reggie Random, and back with another Hot Wheels unboxing. Number 8. Very repetitive. Alright, first car we have is a Matchbox car called the 1965 Land Rover Gen 2. Now this one's pretty cool. Rip it open. As my friend Galaxy, subscribed to him, said in the 10 subscriber special video, I am indeed possessed by the demon. It's true. Okay, got it. It has some luggage on top and a Matchbox with the Jurassic Park, I think. Hold on. No, it's not Jurassic Park. Africa. Yeah. The Land Rover on the side. The wheels have goldish yellow rims. And you cannot see the inside at all. Pretty nice car overall. That's why I picked it out. The next car we have is Hot Wired. New for 2022. So, it's a good thing. And in the future, there'll be a lot more of these Hot Wheels unboxings. So, please. Here it is. The very thin front wheels and the very thick back ones. And the spoiler on top. And just about one seat for the person to sit in. And orange base. Overall, nice car. Next up is the classic TV series Batmobile. This one's in a little bit of a light blue. This one's in a dark blue. This one's in a black color. So, yeah. And at the end, there will be a Matchbox 5-pack to show you. So that'll be fun. Same details as the other one. Wait, no, hold on. Same details as the other one, but still. Batmobile. Batmobiles are always nice. This one, I was just immediately put in my cart. Supercharged. Special feature, so I'll show you that in a minute. Let's look. Right here. The front thing comes out. So that's pretty cool. That's really light for a car this big. And look. Hold on. Just like the Cyber Speeder and Hot Wheels Unboxing 2. Yeah. Supercharged on the side, number 75 back here. A see-through ceiling, a yellow engine, I think that is. And big wheel, tiny wheel. Very, very, very long car. Next up is Count Muscula, new for 2022 and a special feature. So, let's open it up. It's the same feature as the supercharged car and the, what's it called, Cyber Speeder. So here it is right here. Wait. Red and green. It's a pretty nice car. Spoiler, flame on the back, wheels, gray, green stripe with the, green with the black stripe going to the back. Yeah, nice car. Next up is the Ain't Fair. Yellow Ain't Fair. Alright. It has a little bike on the front, as you can see the inside and the big wheel and the smaller wheel, the engine stuff, the top with the radiators, I think it's called. Yeah, bus. It's a bus. Oh, another Batmobile. Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Correct me if I'm saying it wrong in the comments if it's open. Well, this one I keep seeing in stores, and I was like, yeah, I just want to get it. But now I got it, because it's pretty cool anyway. Purple Batmobile with, like, the aerodynamic stuff back here. Engine on the front. Gray wheels. Engines and everything. Nice car. Next up, another Batmobile. But this time, this one's gray, and this one's black. So that's the difference between them. I know they look exactly the same, but they're not. This one's gray. As you can see, it has like this little red line back there with a huge engine in the hood, and you can see the inside. Yeah. Yep. That's the car. We have Cosmic Coupe. Goes in the dark. Come on. Here it is right here. It's an X-Racers car, so you can like see through it. Bluish wheels. You can see the inside a little bit. The back, I don't know what that is. It's just weird. The letter X on the front. Yeah, pretty nice car. Alright, now we're moving on to the Hot Wheels mystery model. So let's rip this one open. Oh, come on. I had this one already. Alright, let me show you guys. Where are you? It's in the green box. So it should be easy because there's not much cars in green. Dang it, where are you? Oh, it's in here. It's in like one of my races. It's in the races, so I'm not going to get it out. Overall, it looks like a Stingray with the yellow wheels, the engine in the back, and like the eyes are chrome and stuff. Yeah, nice car overall. And last but not least, we have the Matchbox 5-pack. The Matchbox Off-Road 5-pack. So, let's pop it open. Okay. As seen in all the other videos with 9 packs, 20 packs, and everything like that, it takes a while. So, if my fingers aren't as strong as you think a lot of other Hot Wheel unboxers are. Oh, wait, I think I'm getting it. Got it. That was surprisingly quick. So first, we have the 2014 Chevy Silverado. As you see, it's a pickup truck with no details up there. The Chevy logo though. The Chevy logo back here. You can see the inside. It says Flo's MBX Adventure Tours with whatever that is on the side. And air conditioned summer fun. And Summerberry. I can't read any of this stuff. Alright, this one is a really big one. So let's show you. Road Mauler. 6-wheeler, military looking thing. With like a whole bunch of stuff in the back. It's a huge car. Big cars, I guess. Always cool. Next one we have is 2016 Ram Flatbed. There's also one. Yep, they're both 2016 Ram Flatbeds. Yellow, gray. A bunch of details and little stuff. Yeah. This is actually one of the longest ones yet. Longest unboxings yet. We have the 1957 GMC Stepside. It says Truck Hero right here. Parts delivery. And it's just like a 1950s truck. Bye. And last but not least, one of my favorite ones out of this whole collection I got so far is Jeep Wrangler Superlift. Now this was a really big car, just like the military looking thing, with some luggage I guess up top. It's a 4-seater, 4-door. A bunch of details inside. It has orange, there's the Jeep logo, it has a whole bunch of writing on the side, and it's a huge car. There are all the cars. Smack the like button and subscribe. Goodbye.